Be honest, bro. Your ego has got into your head. You have such a big ego. You have watched hundreds of entrepreneurship videos. And honestly, I'm gonna be perfectly honest right now, I'm gonna be blunt. Most of entrepreneurship videos are not gonna fucking help you to be productive. Most of entrepreneurship videos are not gonna help you. You know why? Because you're not at the state. They're telling you, do high ticket, do reduce time delay between thing of doing work and doing, and blah 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 blah, and so on. I myself have been that guy who's like, oh yeah, going to the gym is not even productive because I'm in business season, so no. I'm not saying that sacrifices are bad, because you might be thinking, oh, but short time imbalance is the way, and yeah, it is, bro. If I was balanced, if I was going out, I don't know, to parties, going to social events every single day, if I was in the gym every single day for 2-3 hours, if I was, I don't know, cold approaching, then I would have like 1-2 hours to record videos, and that wouldn't really be it. I could make progress in everything a little bit, but I want to make super exponential progress in one area. I want to, in months, monetize this in a month or two. I want to make insane progress. I want to make a lot of progress to my goal. And my one and only goal right fucking now is, you could say 2-3k a month, right? And how do I get there? Because if I just go, make 3k a month, bro, how do you make money? You provide value. And so I made a fucking decision to make like the best fucking productivity value out there, because there are so many shit ass YouTubers. They're so fucking stupid. They're there like, oh, your morning routines aren't even that important, bro. Meditation is not productive. It's like, it's because they're pussies and they can't meditate for 10 fucking minutes. It's true. And I thought this as well. I was like, oh yeah, if I wake up at 4 a.m. and I get to my laptop and work now, I get 1 more hours of work. Bro, I would be there 6 a.m. Oh, I guess I can chill now. And then I would waste the whole day. Because you're there like, oh yeah, I'm gonna work 12 hours a day. Bro, you can't even work 2 hours a day. Bro, you can't even work every day, because every other day you're not doing even 1 hour of work, bro. You're not at that level. Everything in life is a skill. I'm gonna do 12 hours of work. Bro, you are not at that level. And they like to say, oh, discipline, bro, 12 hours of work. Imagine if you actually get 12 hours of work. Good. Is that sustainable? Hell fucking no. The next day you'll be like, oh, hey, this business is not even that important. I guess we'll change business model now. It's because you are getting that stupid fucking advice. They're never telling you the truth. It is a skill. It's like, I'm gonna bench 200. If I actually 1 rep in magically manage to do that, then the rest of you won't consistently do that, because you can barely bench at all. You don't even you skip gym days and you're supposed to hit 200 bench, bro. No, you're not at that level yet. It is not unproductive. In fact, it is super fucking productive. It is the most productive thing I've ever tried. Interestingly enough, it is fucking the best productivity hack, along with, I guess, fasting. There are 2 that are insanely powerful. But when I wake up 3 a.m., a non-negotiable wake up time, nothing. I get 45 minutes of sleep. Yeah, 2 days ago actually. There was New Year and stuff. New Year, spend time with family, do all this stuff. I did spend a time with family, and I did do all this stuff, and I ended up getting to bed at 2 a.m. But guess what? Woke up 3 a.m. Doesn't fucking matter. A morning routine could be unproductive. Don't get me wrong, it could be. I don't know, meditating for 1 hour, maybe journaling for 1 hour before the work. It's like diminished return after 15 minutes, and yes, you want to make exponential progress in business, then do it. But I'm telling you that doing no morning routine at all, that is dumb. Doing a 4-step morning routine or a 10-step morning routine, you can do a 1 hour morning routine. I say that that's productive. Doing, 3-hour morning routine might be bad. Running a mile, doing grounding, doing 30 minutes of cold shower, doing sauna, doing blah, 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 whatever. 3-hour morning routine. No way, bro. That's health maxing season, not business season. But in any seasons, if your health is shit, that will reflect on your business. So if you stop doing cold shower, you stop going to the gym, you stop exercising at all, you start eating worse. You start under eating. You start being a pussy, bro, because you've removed all your sense of discipline. So I realized that most of my discipline actually came from the gym. So I removed the gym. I become a lazy ass motherfucker, right? You need to eliminate the notion that a morning routine has to be unproductive. And how do you create a productive morning routine? I will just say mine out loud so you can copy or you can change something up. But I wake up the same time every single day. And I do 3 a.m. I'm not telling you to wake up 3 a.m. I am very, very, very extreme. Because I need to be accountable as I am teaching you these lessons. I'm like the leader or whatever, cult leader, whatever you call me. I am the guy who talks like shit. And I wrote down that I want to be able to talk like shit. I want to be able to talk like I'm something special. And how to do that? I become someone special. So I am someone special right now. I am living the 3 a.m. grind. And so I wake up 3 a.m. You can wake up 5 a.m. But I would say after 5 a.m., then there's like no time before school or work because you have to leave for work before 8. And so you get 2 hours max. And that's not really enough to get your work done. So I realized that after school, after gym, like in the evening, I'm a fucking idiot. And so I want to eliminate all those hours and add. It's like instead of my bedtime being 9, it's 7, and I wake up 2 hours earlier instead. 2 hours less in the evening, 2 hours more in the morning. More productive. 2 hours. I literally saved 2 hours of the day because those 2 hours of just watching content, wasting time because I could not work. No, even with discipline, bro. My work was so shit quality, so I'm like, 2 hours in the morning instead. And so now I wake up 3 a.m. I take half a liter of water, and then I take some salt from the kitchen, some Himalaya salt, some mineral salt, gets me fucking ready for the day. And then guess what? I take a run. Quick run for like 1 to 5 minutes. I get back in. I do 20 push-ups every day. After that, I do journaling. 1 page of journaling. I have a notebook where I do 1 page of journaling. I write the date, and then I write some things I think about, and some things I'm grateful for, some things that happened yesterday as an example, right? And then I do meditation. I put my timer on 15 minutes. I get 15 minutes done. It is not something I want to do. I didn't want to wake up 3 a.m. I didn't want to meditate. I didn't want to fucking run when I was fucking cold, 3 a.m. Feeling a little bit sleep deprived. My body temperature was fucked, but still got the shit done, bro. Nothing stopping me now. Then after meditation, running again, and then a cold shower for 10-15 breaths. Cold shower, bro. That's difficult, bro. That's not, oh my god. Cold shower, that's like a little bit difficult. It's a bit hard. But honestly, I've deluded myself so much. A cold shower is like the funnest thing in the day. And now I genuinely believe that, like, at like the deepest of my soul, I love cold showers now. So after the cold shower, I do some push-ups again. And then I do the most important things I need to get done that I hate doing, that I know I will procrastinate doing. And that is posting 2 to 3 pieces of content on all platforms. Or 2 TikToks, 2 Instagram Reels, 2 YouTube Shorts, and 2 tweets or X, whatever it's called. So I do that, and after doing that, I'm doing the next task that is super important, and that is recording the video. And here I am, 5:30 a.m., 2.5 hours after waking up. I'm on my 3rd video, and I've done my morning routine, took an hour, and then I did my across all platform, took half an hour, and now I've recorded for an hour. And so it's already 5:30 a.m. and I've done my morning routine. I've posted on all platforms. And then I'm on my 3rd YouTube video. So I've done 3 YouTube shorts today, and now I'm on my 3rd long form video. Literally 6 pieces of content on just YouTube since waking up, even though I was sleep deprived. I got 5 hours of sleep. I got to bed at 10 and I woke up 3. Doesn't fucking matter. I still get like 15 pieces of content done in one day. It doesn't matter, bro. I still do it, bro. I've already got an 8 piece of content done, and then 2 videos, and this is my 11th. So I can do like 15 pieces of content every single day if I want to, in 3-4 hours. Imagine 15 pieces of content in 3-4 hours, then boom, in 3-4 hours every day. If you do that every single day consistently, no matter fucking what, and that's why I've set a crazy process so I will never miss. And you're telling me a morning routine is productive, bro. I got 15 videos every single day, even though it's New Year's fucking Eve. Can't you, who is listening right fucking now, see the power in that? And did any of these fucking videos help you? Oh, more is unproductive. Bro, you're still watching videos on YouTube. You know what that means? That the actions you have taken in the past have not led you to where you want. For the last year, you've been going around changing Bismol, listening to business advice, doing this. But has it helped you? Maybe a little bit, but you're not in the position you want to be. This video, I genuinely believe that this is the best fucking video. This is the best channel on productivity. Because no one tells you the fucking productive truth. But this is the truth. The brutal truth. And you might as well learn and adapt to the fucking truth as fast as fucking possible. So you can fucking make progress as fucking fast as possible. And I'm angry, I'm aggressive, I have this energy because I'm literally talking to my younger fucking self who's a fucking idiot, a maniac, who is every other day coping because it is so difficult. And it is fucking difficult because you're spiraling without a plan. If you do not have a process, a consistent wake up time, a fucking morning routine, then you're a pussy. You're genuinely a pussy. And it's weird. You've listened to this video this long and then you're nodding on like this. Yeah, I'm a pussy. Like, I literally told you you're a pussy. And if you leave a negative comment on this video, that shows that you're insecure, that I have hit something in your soul. It hurts for you. It hurts. It bleeds. And so, use that fucking bleeding. Use that negative energy. Use that energy into do what you actually know you should do. The only time you can actually take action is now. In 1 week's time, the 1 week, the present you in next week is the same. It is the same. And so, I'm a little bit tired, so I can't record a video. Pussy. Talk to myself right now, right? I get 6 hours of sleep. Oh, I'm a little bit tired, but I can't record. Pussy. I get perfect hour of sleep. Oh, but I don't feel like it. Pussy. I got 1 hour of sleep. I'm gonna record some videos. G. I got 6 hours sleep. I'm gonna record some videos. G. I got perfect sleep, and now I'm gonna really record videos. G. Have a process. Follow it to your best fucking ability. Do what is required every day without fail. This will build your brain. Oh, but I can't just consist I'm a burnout. You are a pussy. And I am a pussy. Do it anyways. You need to eliminate that notion of it's unproductive in morning things. Process isn't even that important, bro. Habit tracker, nah, it's not even that important. I know exactly what I'm going to do anyways. But then, tell me why you're 24/7 as you're going about today. Oh, I'm gonna record, I'm gonna read, I'm gonna script. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna... You're in your head, bro. You're in your head. You could save hours of thinking if you just put down something on your fucking wall. Because, oh, but I'm gonna forget it if I write it down. Am I gonna forget it, my ass? I have 6 pieces of papers I put on yesterday. I have 4 papers there, which is my goals and how my ideal self would think in certain situation. Because I have a process. I am ready. 2 papers. Habit tracker and negative habit tracker. What actions should I not do? I don't even need to think, I shouldn't watch porn, I shouldn't do this. I know what I shouldn't do, because I know those 6 things. Edging, I don't know, anime opening, video games, YouTube consumption, and what was it more? Audiobooks. I know those things are my coping things. When I watch audiobooks, I tend to be a degenerate. When I watch anime openings, I tend to be a degenerate. When I eat shit food, when I eat like carbs, the rest of my day is shit. Everything, right? I write it down, more than every habit I do. And then I just wake up 3 a.m., drink water with salt, run, meditate, urinal, cold shower. I just cross them off. And then at the end of the day, oh, everything is done. I felt amazing, and now I can speak like a fucking maniac because I've actually done it myself. What literally motivates me the most, that is me being able to speak like this, because I love speaking like this. And I can when I am a fucking motherfucker who does all this shit. This is what you need to do. You know what to do. So get that fucking shit done. You need that process. You need a morning routine. No matter what any business or any productivity shit YouTuber says. But at the same time, you need to define what productivity is for you. Productivity for you is the process. It is for me, it is the morning routine that gets me into the flow. And then after that, it is recording the video. It's not changing the channel banner. It's not replying to comments. It's not, sure, I might do those, but when I wake up, I don't go on YouTube. Oh, I'm gonna reply to comments, bro. No, I record the next video. I record months of videos in advance, schedule them, and they're out. And I do them better over time. I keep improving. I keep changing around, making it better, making it better. Don't let this be another fucking video. Because these videos has not served you at all. I'm telling you, even my videos, even this energy I bring, even this gold mine advice I give you, even that, if you aren't taking notes, if you aren't taking action, if you aren't listening and implementing anything, if this is just another video, it goes in one ear and goes out the other, then you will make no fucking progress. I'm telling you this because this is me watching 100,000 fucking videos, not doing anything, literally wasting almost a year of my life in time, doing nothing. I could have literally been successful by this point if I just took action. Like, I mean serious action. Like, see anything, bro. You're reading books and things comes up. Oh, I can try this. I can implement this. Imagine those video games, those movies you watch. That guy is reading a book and it says, oh, we smile when people go around. And then literally you go outside and smile and try it. Oh, and you level up. You're like, oh, it actually worked, bro. I'm gonna try this thing now. I'm gonna be that playful little boy who is having like, real life is a game. You learn a new spell in a game. You try the new spell on an enemy. You learn a new skill in real life. You try that skill on someone, on an enemy. My camera's my fucking enemy right now. My fucking task right now is to, I don't know, convert you or make you believe what I say. Tell you the advice. It is a wall, bro. Yeah, it is a wall because you have so many limiting beliefs that's holding you back. So I'm literally fighting against a wall right now. A camera. A younger me. Yeah. That's the end of this video. Then maybe rewatch it if there was something you didn't get. But yeah. I decided, by the way, to make these videos a little bit shorter. Because I want every word to have a lot of weight. I know this, I know myself, I'm like one of those shit YouTubers who make a 40-minute video where repeats himself a million times, he goes off side tangents and, bro, your time is valuable, and so why would I triple the time when I could do it in 70 minutes? Not only will the video be better, but everything will be better, bro. It will be better for you, and it will be more time effective for me. Dumb waste time. It's dumb for me, it's dumb for you. And it actually makes the points I'm trying to make less clear if I just go off titaniums, next thing. Yeah, so that's it. See you next video maybe, or not.